Hi,
Hi,
Hello?
my name is Ellen.
I'm Jeremy.
My name is Avnish.
And I'm a software engineering intern.
And I'm a Falcon Overwatch intrusion analyst intern.
And I'm a financial analyst intern at CrowdStrike.
Welcome to the crowd!
My experience as a CrowdStrike intern has been phenomenal.
I've received a lot of mentorship and support.
My CrowdStrike internship has been the experience of a lifetime.
Everybody that I've met has just been so beyond welcoming and supportive towards me and just excited for my journey here at CrowdStrike.
The best part about being a hybrid or remote-based intern is definitely the flexibility that I have. It's really great to work in an environment that I'm comfortable with.
It can be an amazing experience to be able to have lunch in your own home with your own food.
This is what my workspace looks like. Got my laptop, keyboard, mouse.
I love going into the office just because there are other interns there that I get to socialize, connect with.
I'm able to be flexible with my schedule, and as someone who's located in the Irvine office, I can choose to go into the office when I want or choose to be remote the full day if I'm too tired or if it's been a busy week.
At the end of the day, I think it makes me more productive.
Cybersecurity is a passion for me, and have that reciprocated by your manager or the person that you're interviewing with was a pretty amazing experience.
I think one of my favorite memories here at CrowdStrike has to be the intern conference. It was incredibly refreshing to get to interact with people whom I met last year and this year for the first time in person.
It was really cool to fly up to Sunnyvale and meet other interns as well as meet my team for the first time in person.
I've contributed on meaningful and challenging projects.
Really been able to grow and develop in those skills through those projects.
And it feels like everyone around me is invested in my success.
The future of cybersecurity
Starts with you.